7 ways to make money online. Welcome to today's video. We're breaking down 7 real ways to make money online that you can start right now. Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Let's go over the easiest online side hustles that can help you build extra income. Number 1, freelancing. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you sell your skills in writing, design, social media, and more. Tip for freelancing. Beginner tip: start small, take on quick jobs, build up reviews, and then gradually raise your prices as you gain credibility. Number 2, selling digital products. Create ebooks, printables, templates, or even online courses once and sell them forever. Passive income. Note, this is true passive income. Put in the work up front, then earn again and again every time someone downloads your product. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Recommend products through affiliate links and earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase. Key point: the best part? You can literally earn money while you sleep because your links work around the clock. Number 4, YouTube automation. You don't even need to show your face. Faceless channels are making thousands each month. Example: just use stock footage, text overlays, and an artificial intelligence voice like this one to create engaging videos that people binge watch. Number 5, print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, or stickers, and let sites like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring handle the rest. Note, you don't need to buy inventory, ship products, or manage returns. It's all automated. Number 6, online tutoring. If you're good at math, English, or another subject, you can get paid to help students learn online. Tip: tutoring platforms like Cambly, Wazant, or tutor.com pay anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour. And finally, number 7, content writing. Businesses need blog posts, email newsletters, and website content every single day. Many beginners start around $20 per article, but experienced writers can earn $100 or more per piece. So, which of these 7 side hustles will you try first? Drop your answer in the comments below.